shit. Because what happens behind this shit?
This be my thing, be my thing, be my thing, be my thing, be my thing.
This nigga showing off finesse. This finesse gave me 0 out of 10. This baby's so fucking like cutting him off right now. Go. Oh, what happened? Again?
Took him down, Jesus smoking doobie after doobie. Got a bad bitch with me and she acting kinda freaky. She was slappy tappy me. She want tags on my story just to say that she been with me. She a model from the city, look like she came out of
What's up? So yeah, I'm out here. What? I'm out here with this boy. I'm pretty sure y'all don't know who this nigga is, but let me tell y'all. This is the unknown motherfucker called Mr. Nobody. Where we going? We can just somewhere here vlog. What do you say?
a vlog. I bet we out in Chase Square.
What? I'm out here in my crib. I don't know what the bro talking about. I hosted a little party and shit.
We in Pretoria. You check.
Yeah.
We came to get some fresh air.
This is fun.
Bro, aren't we searching for men's to interview?
Dog, I only see old people. I don't know what you see here.
I guess we have to search. This place is filled with like, yeah, you're right.
Search for what? That's mine. So yeah, as y'all know, I'm steady chilling, steady making content for y'all. It ain't nothing too crazy. It ain't nothing too saggy and shit. But yeah, let's get into it. Got this dummy ass boy. He's walking like he's lost or some shit like that. You feel? But he gotta chill out cause he's walking with a G. Where are you going? You understand? So I'm about to drop his phone because he fucking fucked up my phone. Where are you going? He doesn't know where he's going, but I'm gonna go this way because I know where I'm going. But I know where
My
I'm
head
going.
that big, bro. Niggas finna hit me with dreads. The fuck?
Nah, dread is old shit.
But yeah, dreads look sexy on the boy. I'll be some Wiz Khalifa type shower, you know.
Have you seen like your hair from the side view?
But bro, dog, where we going?
You want like Johnny
This
Bravo?
nigga has no direction, bro.
You on Johnny Bravo level with the hair, bro.
This nigga doesn't have like, what can I say? He doesn't say shit about where we going. He just moves, and then we land at a certain destination.
And then we end up with a baddie. For him to pull out
Chat.
his kitty.
Like always.
I see that nigga looking at us like, it's like, hey,
What the fuck is this
those niggas are
doing?
walking with my phone. So, yeah,
Hey,
we
it's
do
so
admit
empty,
it, it's
bro.
his phone shit.
This side is
But
so
he just
empty,
gotta
bro.
pull up and do
I
something
haven't
about
seen
it.
one fly baby inside. So empty, fuck.
I'm the only flyest nigga around here. People probably looking out the down chair, yeah. So yeah, it's not
Here,
into crazy.
here people get licked, bro.
You look, you think these three niggas can try and lick Loren? Like,
This
nigga
nigga-
gang. Dog, I'm a big time stabber.
This is a cheese boy. This
I'm
boy
a big
is
time
cheese boy.
stabber.
He doesn't know nothing about town, bro. This nigga will get
I'm a big
licked.
time stabber, no
Nah.
slapper, bro. Big time stabber. So you ain't gotta worry about a lot of things.
Too bad, but they take it.
She's blushing at me because I'm unblushable sad. I see another Betty. This bro just decided to let it slide. But that ain't my problem. It's this nigga's problem, so it's nothing too crazy. She mad cute, bro. But yeah, it's a lot of them out here. Ish. I don't like how this shit keeps on doing. It's fucking up my mojo. Bro, you're fucking up my mojo, bro. Walking like a talker, right? This nigga's phone is about to fuck up or some shit like that. But whatever that we end up doing, I don't trust this. It looks like a trap. So whatever the shit that we end up doing, you ain't really gotta think about it at all. Feels that is Loren, man. So this nigga, which one is this one? This nigga here. This nigga. This particular bro.
Hey bro, me, I'm bird watching, so I got time to
Can you
think.
pull up this side and hold it?
I'm watching birds in town. Yes sir. How about bro?
Let's walk it over there. Why are you stopping it?
I'm not stopping. Me I see gang khatas. Ah bro, so now you want me to hold? Hey, how I can't bird watch. I can't bird watch and do this. Let's hear do no proper sound. Unless
You can, you're gonna speak up and you can.
yeah, do it. Do it. Do it.
They are.
Bro, we were supposed to go to Church Square. We leaving the hotspot.
Now we saw old people there, so.
Right, you know what's the plan, right? We're supposed to be like shooting some content. Flop is it's dry up in this base, bro. Like we ain't see people, bro. Like we just see old people. Let me say that. You dig? And old people ain't about their YouTube lifestyle. Nah, nothing is happening in there, bro. Yeah, let's go inside. I bet. So, yes, sir. Let's see if we feel within a troll these men say here. Two, three. Yeah. Hey, nah, hey, dude. Now we mine. Hey, here they probably have guns and shit. Choo, this place is sick. Oh, sick, bro. You could shoot some dope shit when you're here. Yeah, let's ask. Let's ask if we can fit this shit on though. Like how they do in the movies, you check. Let's ask if we can check. We can get out of there. And then let me put my mask on. I don't trust you. It's COVID season, boy. These niggas sell electronics. Hello. How you doing, sir? I see you have a lot of electronics here. Do you sell PlayStation? Any type of game?
No PlayStation.
No video games plus.
No, give him. No PlayStation. check cash procedure.
Yeah. Yes, you know, thing is, I want it cheap, you know.
I also want PlayStation 4.
Yeah.
I'm also looking.
To sell or to buy.
Let me talk to you after 5, man. Yeah. So the guy, his name is Clifford, man.
Okay.
It's not here.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you very much.
I don't have network.
Hello. How you doing? You work at Cash Crusaders, right? Can I ask you something? I'm looking for a PS4 there. Nah. You don't have it now? What do you guys have? There, are you from there or are you going? Are you going there or are you from Cash Crusaders?
I work there.
Yeah, I'm saying now. Like, are you on your way there or are you coming
No, I'm
from there?
coming from the
Oh, so you're going back to work?
No, I'm going to buy food.
Wait, why don't you cut the both of us in the shit? Can I also get lunch? Can I also get lunch since you buy lunch?
I'm buying my car.
Yeah, I mean like, you could take me on the first date. Yeah, just like that. Then I'll repay the favor on the second one.
No.
No. For real. You can't come with me. Why not?
Oh, I'm saying no to a date.
Okay, to lunch. Everything.
Yeah.
Just got cuffed by a baby. Tried to get a date or some lunch with her. Nothing happened. I wasn't smooth with it, I was just whack with it. You check. Yes, sir. Where did the boy Eric go? Where did the boy Eric go? Wait. Nigga left me one man. You check. Hey. Nothing happened. But I'm probably gonna hit him with the juice. You check. And say like, nah, I gave her my digits, you know, and she's probably gonna hit me up. You know, I'm gonna cap with it, but I won't tell him what's up that I got curved. You check. I'll just say, no, she's took my number down. Yeah, that's how the story's gonna go. Wait. Yeah, but
This stupid ass guy there now.
she took down my dick. She took down my dick. Away. Yeah, she took down my dick. Either way, she's like next time. She took my dick. She said next time if I had asked nicely, she was probably gonna buy for the both of us. Yeah, she said next time if I ask properly. But either way, I'm gonna trim her, check, move to the second location. Bro, that was a dub. Everybody saw that shit.
Do not just say I don't base, I don't race, I just pace. Do things my own way, I don't care what they gon' say.